हम चाहते थे कि नीट पे एक दिन का डिस्कशन हो। काफ़ी ज़रूरी मामला है। 2 करोड़ युवाओं को नुकसान हुआ है। 70 बार पिछले 7 साल में पेपर लीक हुए। हम चाहते थे कि एक दिन चर्चा इस पे हो, तो अगर आप मौका दे सकें।
राष्ट्रपति अभिभाषण पर आप विषय रखें, क्योंकि हमने व्यवस्था दे चुके हैं पहले ही कि राष्ट्रपति भाषण के मध्य में न शून्यकाल होगा न कोई स्थगन प्रस्ताव को लिया जाएगा।
The NEET result has snowballed into Modi 3.0's first major controversy, with the reputation of the National Testing Agency lying in tatters. With the NEET mess followed by the cancellation of UGC NET and 2 other exams, the country's premier examination agency has been lurching into one controversy onto another, jeopardizing the future of more than 3 million students. The NEET fiasco started on June 4 with the announcement of its results, which curiously coincided with the verdict of the Lok Sabha elections 2024. The fact that as many as 67 students scored the perfect 720 marks raised suspicion. The NTA, which initially remained in denial, later defended themselves by saying that more than 1,500 students were awarded grace marks, which resulted in inflated scores. However, probes by Gujarat and Bihar police unraveled irregularities indicating towards a possible paper leak. The startling revelations of a nexus behind the scam sparked widespread protests across the country by students, parents, coaching institutes, and civil society members. The controversy has also given fodder to the opposition parties, with Congress MP Rahul Gandhi targeting the Modi government for the mess. He has also assured the students of raising the issue in the ongoing parliament session. The political blame game was also witnessed in Bihar, where the leaders of the BJP and the RJD accused each other of having possible linkages with the case accused. The controversy has put the government on the back foot. The centre has removed the NTA chief Subodh Kumar and has asked the Central Bureau of Investigation to step in. The government has also formed a high-level committee headed by former ISRO chief Dr. K. Radhakrishnan to reform the organisation. Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan has also assured that no one, even if from NTA, will be spared if found guilty. Even as demands for a fair probe and justice abound, the focus of the controversy has now shifted to the CBI probe. The CBI, which has now taken up the case, has dispatched its teams to 3 states and made its first arrest on Thursday. The CBI is also questioning more than 2 dozen accused who were arrested by the states so far.